In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the "Oops, looks like this page is lost" 404 error on your Hostinger site. This common issue can be a bit frustrating, but don't worry. With a few simple steps, we can troubleshoot and resolve this problem, ensuring your visitors can always find what they're looking for. Let's start by making sure the page you're trying to access actually exists and hasn't been accidentally hidden or deleted. It's easy to overlook this first simple check, especially if your site is continuously updated. You'll want to open your Hostinger website builder and navigate to your list of pages. Here, you can verify that the page in question is present and, equally important, visible. Remember, if a page is set to hidden, it won't be viewable to your site visitors and can result in that dreaded 404 error. Next, it's vital to check all hyperlinks, particularly in your menus or buttons, to confirm that they're pointing to the correct page. Slugs, which are the tail end of a URL, can sometimes get mistyped, causing broken links. So, pay close attention and ensure each link leads where it's meant to. Go through each menu and button, double-checking that their respective links are correct and that the target pages are published. The details matter here, so please take your time. Another important step is to publish any recent changes you've made. While it might seem obvious, sometimes we forget this final step in our eagerness to get things done. When you make adjustments in your website builder, those changes aren't live until you publish them. This also includes any new pages or edits to existing pages. After ensuring everything is accurately set up and linked, make sure to click the Publish button. Doing this consolidates all your work, making it visible to the outside world. Finally, once everything is published and you've moved through the steps, take a moment to refresh your browser. There's a small chance that cached data is causing you to see an outdated version of your site. By refreshing, you can bypass the cache and view the most current version of your site. A simple refresh can sometimes work wonders in clearing up stubborn 404 errors that persist even after you've made all the necessary changes. By carefully going through these steps, you should be able to fix the "Oops, looks like this page is lost" error on your Hostinger website with ease. Remember, staying methodical and patient will lead to the best results as you troubleshoot. After completing these changes, revisit your site as a visitor would to ensure everything is functioning seamlessly. With these adjustments, your site should operate smoothly, leaving your visitors with a positive experience. Thank you for following this guide, and I hope it has helped resolve your issue. Happy site managing!